So what I was saying about when my friend asked for some of my ADHD meds, he acted like it was no big deal, but I wasn't so sure about it. My name is on that label for a reason. If my friend had taken my prescription, that's misuse. I could misuse my own meds too. Like my first year of college, sometimes I skipped or doubled up doses because my schedule kept changing. I was taking my prescription, but not in the way it was prescribed to me. It was also misuse. I cut that out after a few bad experiences and talked to my doctor about adjusting my prescription. I was surprised at the number of students who use these medications without a prescription, or in ways they weren't prescribed. How common do you think it is? That percentage is the average, but it can vary a lot from campus to campus. So I've had friends asking me for some of my meds, but even though most of us get asked, like I did, most don't actually go along with it. And that's a smart move. I knew someone back in high school who got busted for selling to other students. It didn't seem like that big of a deal to him. He got his pills from a doctor after all. We were all pretty shocked how much trouble he got in. But then I thought, like this one time when I forgot my pills in the hotel room on vacation, it was a whole thing. I tried to get a replacement from my doctor, but I couldn't. Because it's a controlled substance, they have to restrict access to it. It also means this kid was in as much trouble as if he was selling cocaine or meth.